Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Roblox gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to buy a Roblox gift card online, then follow the steps. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in www.roblox.com/giftcards and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to this page where you can shop your favorite gift card online. Click on Shop Gift Cards button and now this will open up a new tab. In the text box that appears, go ahead and select who the gift card is for. You can choose between a friend or for yourself. Click on Pick a Gift Card button and now select if you'd like to buy a digital card or a physical card. Make a selection, but before that, choose your currency on the top of the pop-up and select if you'd like to buy a digital card or physical card and give it a click. Choose the gift card design you'd like to purchase by selecting from the categories displayed at the top. Once you select your design, click How much. Now, select how much credit you'd like to put on your card and select the quantity of the card you'd like to purchase at the bottom by clicking on either plus in order to increase your quantity or decrease it by clicking on minus. Finally, click on Add to Cart and scroll all the way down and click Check out. Select a payment method from either credit or debit card or PayPal. Make your selection and fill in the rest of the information that will be asked to you according to your choice. Since I've chosen credit or debit card, I'll need to type in my credit or debit card information. First, type in an email address you'd like to receive your gift card on and confirm your email by retyping it again on the next field. Next, type in your phone number, scroll down and under credit card information, type in your name that is available on your card, your last name, and then your credit card number. Also, type in your expiration date. Also, select your expiration month and year from the options. And now, type in your security code for your credit card. Right where it says billing address, fill in the information that is asked to you and make sure to type in your information correct. After you are done with it, scroll all the way down and check this little box in order to agree to the terms and condition and privacy policy and finally click on Place My Order. Once you do that, if your information are correct, you'll be able to make an order for a Roblox gift card. You'll be able to receive your gift card in your email, so make sure to check your email now and then. That is how you can easily buy or purchase Roblox gift card online. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.